Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you some Warrior Plus recurring commissions that have come in from the Click Engine and Traffic Blaster Pro. And having recurring payments coming in every single month is the key to building a solid, sustainable business online. You'll see here I'm live in my Warrior Plus account and gonna look. They give you what's called the sales dashboard, where you can look at all your stats. So today, $4.70 is a recurring income that's coming from Traffic Blaster Pro, and yesterday, $2.31 is an affiliate commission. These are monthly recurring commissions, as long as the members pay their membership to get the 100% autopilot bias traffic. And these are the sales for last month and the sales for this month. But the recurring payments, if we come down here, they give you affiliate daily stats, and they also give you affiliate recurring payments. What you'll see here is under the earnings section, this column here, 7 days ago, $2.31 came in. So I started promoting the Click Engine back end of February, and then I think the very late in February, early March, I started promoting when excuse me, Traffic Blaster was launched. So these numbers will go up next month, because the majority of the sales came in from the back end of February and the month this month of March. So $4.70 is for Traffic Blaster Pro. And then on the 28th, another recurring payment from the Click Engine. And then another recurring payment, this is from today, $4.70. What they do is they give you your total subscribers, so you can work out and you can see what's going to be coming in. And next month, so this month it's been 25.65. So next month, all the new members that I referred to the Click Engine and Traffic Blaster Pro want to build this number up, and just showing you can get into profit, and earn recurring income profit. And there's lots and lots of upsells that I'll come to in a minute. So far 16 subscribers, and the next goal is to get recurring payment every day. Fill in these gaps here where it says zero and start to get a recurring payment every day. But there's lots of upsells, and now Traffic Blaster have just put a higher recurring payment into their funnel a couple of days ago. So you promote one link. If you're not familiar with these two products, I've done lots of other videos. I'll pin a playlist to the top comment of these below this video. But Traffic Blaster have just introduced a higher funnel product. I'm on 55% because I've made over 15 sales, but you start at 50%. So every 30 days, this is going to be roughly about a $30 recurring income sale, or this one here every 180 days. So they've introduced, this is the original one here, sorry, this one here, and this is the ones they've introduced now to the funnel. So you can now earn even higher recurring income products with Traffic Blaster. And the Click Engine, again, you're promoting one link, and the Click Engine has got the core product, which is the $4.90, but they've got 5 upsells built into the funnel as well. So you can earn some great commissions there. That goes up to a product there of $64.90. And that's then all these down here, these are all one-off commissions. I'm on 50% there. You stay on 50% there, but if you get 10 sales, Jeff the owner gives you a $25 bonus, which I've just qualified for that. I'll show you that in another video. So there'll be links in the description where you can get some more information if you're brand new to looking at these products. Traffic Blaster Pro, you can watch a short video here. Traffic Blaster Pro, you can start for just $1, and they give you 8 bonuses, and you can get started in 3 simple steps. You don't have to be an affiliate, you can just sign up and use the product. And the click engine is just over $1 a week, so watch a short video here and click here to get started, and that's just over $1 a week. And Jeff, the owner there, he's put testimonials and he's put 8 bonuses in there as well for you to get started and get your 100% autopilot buyers traffic. So if you've enjoyed the video today, please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for notification of my new videos. So I do new content every single week, and there's currently over 550 videos now on the channel. So there'll be a link in the description for these 2 products if you want some more information. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch a short video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one, and bye for now.